Chiropractics for everyone.
Do you have any back pain or neck pain?
Both.
Okay, which one's worse?
Back.
All right, where does your back hurt?
It's usually lower back.
How long have you had back pain?
Since high school sports.
Was there an injury in a particular sport, particular time?
No.
Did you ever have any shoulder issues?
Like, it does that all the time.
Yeah, does it hurt when it does that?
Not really. It's just weird.
You have neck pain too?
Yeah.
All right, how far back does that go?
It's more recent when I turn towards the right. Like something's not in line because I can't turn fully that way. I feel like I need to crack my neck.
Can you?
It feels like it's down here, like lower where it needs to.
Where
so
it needs to crack.
Yeah.
Do you get headaches ever?
Not a lot. Sometimes,
All right, very good. When you get a headache, where do you get it? What part of your head?
Frontal.
All right, wrist, elbow.
Like my hand locks up, but if I run it under hot water, it's okay.
Okay, that's not okay. Okay, I'm gonna start off with a very gentle scan on the top of your spine, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna touch your back. You said it's the right side of your body, but all the tension is on the left. I'm gonna do a temperature evaluation with the back of my hands. Very consistent. It's just slightly warmer all on the right side. Okay, I'm gonna push a little bit deeper into the spine. Oh yeah. There's lots of swelling here. Right versus left.
Right.
There's a deviated line here. It goes off to the left. This is gonna need some work, this right cup. Bring your chin down to your chest. Back up. Down. C5. This is probably that one that you're trying to crack. Does one side feel more restricted than the other? The right side?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if there's any pelvic rotations here. You're gonna feel my fingers on the back of your hamstrings, okay? Sliding up to the bottom of the glute fold. It's lower on the right side. That means the right side is torqued back like that. And then looking from the top, feet are even. The right side is more in like this. Let's check this gluteal cleft. And then it definitely curves to the left. So we definitely have a tilted sacrum. Good, just looking for swing motions here. A little bit of a side there to the right. Okay, nice gentle breathing. We're just gonna dig into the spine a little bit deeper here. This thing right here, right?
Yeah.
It's definitely stiff in that joint. I can feel the stiffness there. No pain?
Mm-mm.
Want to do this?
Mm-mm.
That feels good?
Mm-hmm.
This is topical magnesium. Okay, do you still feel that pain when I push here like that?
On the left.
You still feel it in the left?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you've had this before, okay? You're gonna take a deep breath in, and then as you start to breathe out from the top, we'll give this a little push, okay?
Okay.
Good, and then let your shoulders relax as you breathe out.
Yeah.
Let this go right here. Good. Oh my God. All right, I'm gonna check the coccyx, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the first coccyx segment, second, third. Tender?
No.
It's like right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just hold it for just a second. Better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Still tender.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna bend the top leg, bottom leg stays straight. Scoot your forward here just a little bit like that. As you breathe out, Alexis, I'm gonna stretch your shoulders like this and bring your hips down and then push, okay? Try a deep breath in. Sinking in, let the shoulders go. Good. We're gonna do the L5 first. Oh, just cracked that way, right? Okay, we're gonna bring it to the side like this. It's because the sacrum is tilted that way. Good. Let the shoulder relax. Is that painful? Ready? Where do you feel it more? 1, 2, 3.
Definitely 2.
Nice, gentle breathing. Let this relax, loose.
That was a lot.
That's pretty big. I felt like it's never been cracked. Okay, I'm gonna follow your breath as you breathe out.
It scares me when I hear it.
It's right there. Do it again. One more right here. It's still stuck. Do it again. Okay. Turn your head to the right again. That was the side that hurt, right?
Yeah, like I can see my shoulder.
Any pain when you did that?
No.
And out. Feel it all the way down?
Yeah, I've never had that done, so it made my neck feel good.
Can you handle another one?
You can try.
There we go. How's it feel?
Lighter?
Yeah.
Is that a term?
Yeah.
Lighter is how I would describe it.
Okay, let this relax nice and gentle. I'm just gonna feel the joint pain. Right here.
Little.
Your shoulder will clunk less if you stretch this muscle. Okay, breathe in again. Okay, let that relax. Is this still tender? That's better.
Yeah.
As you breathe out, we're gonna lean back together. Breathe in and out. All the way down. Shoulders relax. Good. One more. Still tender?
Not as bad.
What over here? Is that still tender? Put your arm out like an airplane here. I'm gonna come underneath your arm and then hold on to this top of this rib. Now lean back against me. Lean your head back. Oh my goodness. Is it still tender?
It doesn't feel like it was just a couple seconds ago.
You still feel it though?
Yeah.
Yeah.